Well, now that I've gotten my JGAurora A5 converted from Bowden over to direct feed with the E3D Titan and the E3D hot end, the only thing remaining here is for me to put a BLTOUCH on it, since I have it on my other printers as well. And lo and behold, what came in the mail. This is the new BLTOUCH version 2. What you can see is that the pin is no longer aluminum, but it is plastic. I asked Paris if it's nylon or not. It's Sunday, so I won't get an answer right away. But it's pretty neat. It looks like they've also put a little bit of a neck here that if you catch it, it'll break that off rather than damage the main body. One thing I would suggest is that they include with it a spare needle to go in and out. They must have the magnet connected with it somehow. But that's the BLTOUCH, the version 2. It still has the core in the top. One other thing that's a little different with this new version 2, yes, they give you wire. In fact, it's about 5 feet of wire, but what's nice is the one end is already terminated with the little plug that plugs into the BLTOUCH in place of the small wires that are there already. So you get 5 feet of wire already terminated at one end, so you can just plug it in. You don't have to worry about cutting and splicing. The only thing you do then is at the other end is put on whatever type of terminal you need. Very nice. I like that. And this is just long enough on the JGAurora to go from where I already have a mount made up for the BLTOUCH. It'll run up this umbilical cord and then down the side and in to where the motherboard is. So I'll be doing all that in the next few days, hopefully. These connectors, they give you, this is one with 3 single connectors in case you have to hook into your main board at different spots. And then they also have 2-pin and 3-pin connectors that you can use. So I can't wait to get this thing installed in my printer, which will be coming up in the next couple of days, and I'll show people where I plugged everything.